So this is 1, so the output will be a plus b. Oh. Now let us take another example. Suppose if you can write this in your copy, A bar, B bar, C plus A, A bar, B, C plus A, B bar. So what will be the outcome? So we can see from the first two terms, that is A bar, B bar and A bar, B and C is common. So we can take A bar, C as common. So A bar, C as common from this term and from this term. So here B bar remains and here B remains. So now here the third term, that is A, B bar. So here we take A bar C plus A B bar. So this is the minimum form. So now let us take another example. Suppose F equals to AB plus A C bar plus AC bar plus A B bar C and into AB plus C. So what we will do first? So first we will do this complement part. So write the first term as it is, that is AB. Next the second term, that is A bar plus C bar. Actually this is whole complement. Using the first bracket we are representing here, that is whole complement. So if A dot C complement, that means A complement plus C complement. Here is it shows nothing, that means here there is a multiplication or into. So it will be complemented and or symbol will come. Now again we multiply this, and this is A B bar C into AB plus A C bar, A B bar C into C. So the next step, A B bar C, it becomes no from the initial step, that is AB plus A bar plus C bar plus zero. Why it is zero? I'm telling you. Plus A B bar C, because as B dot B bar equals to 0 and C dot C equals to C. So in the next step, A B C. Okay. A B C plus A B C bar plus A bar plus C bar plus A B bar C. Why? Because AB equals to, we may write as AB into, sorry, AB into C plus C bar equals to ABC plus A B C bar. The next step, if we take common from this, so AC, so it would be B plus B, B bar and plus, if we take common, C bar, so it would be AB plus 1 plus A bar. So it is A C plus C bar plus A bar. Okay. Next step is here. So AC plus AC bar so
AC whole bar.
oh yes, it is AC whole bar. AC whole bar. So the result is 1. Now another simplification. Suppose to simplify x y bar plus x y z bar plus x into y plus x y bar and its complete bar. So from the first two terms we can take common of this x term. So x, if we take common x, then it is y bar plus yz plus if we multiply this, then xy plus xy bar 3. Next step. So now I would do this is the first bracket open bracket. Now x this is x y bar y bar z. We are writing first the y bar z plus y bar plus yz plus one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is y bar equals to y bar into z plus 1 equals to y bar z plus y bar. Sorry. It is third bracket. So y bar can be written as this because y bar equals to y bar into z plus 1. So y bar z plus y bar. Here y bar z plus y bar. We are following this. So now here x to y bar plus z plus x bar. So it can be written as x bar plus y bar plus z. This is the whole complement plus x. So it is 1 plus y z bar. Okay, now see some examples. See here some examples. These are SOP expressions. Can you see this? See here AB plus, if we take C common from these two terms, then it is B plus B bar. So we have to prove this. So we are deriving this right hand part to get this left hand part. Sorry, left hand part, and this is the right hand part. So this is AB plus C into 1. So this is AB plus C. And here A bar B plus A dot B plus A bar dot B bar. So if we take B common from these two, so this is A bar plus A bar B bar. So if it means 1, so 1 into B, here A bar B bar. So we can write it as B, and this is A bar dot B bar. So if we follow this rule, that is A bar plus A dot B equals to A plus B, then from here we can get this B plus A bar. Now in this third example, see here A plus A B bar plus A bar B. So if we take A as common, so it would be 1 plus B bar, and here A bar B. Now A into 1 plus A bar B. So that means 1. So it is A plus B. A plus A bar B, that means AB. This rule is followed here. This rule is also followed here and also here. Now in this fourth example, it is A bar B plus C D bar and complete bar. So we are dividing these two parts. We are using this complement first. So this is A bar B complete bar into, actually this plus sign is complemented, that's why we are getting this multiplication symbol or and symbol. So this is C bar D bar whole bar, and this is A bar A double bar, actually here is also bar, so A double bar plus, actually here we can use this multiplication symbol. So complement of this multiplication or AND operation, we get this OR operation. So A double bar multiplication complement, that is plus B bar into C bar plus D double bar. So here we get A plus B bar. Double complement means that um, symbol, that is A. A double complement means A, B double complement means B. But here is only one complement with B, so here we can write as B complement into C complement plus D double complement, that means D. So this is the answer. In this fifth example, you see ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC bar. So we are taking common AC, so B plus B bar. So, and here A B C bar, so AC into 1, so it is A B C bar. So A, we are taking A common, so it is C plus B C bar, so A into B plus C bar. In this sixth example, we are taking common A bar C bar from these two values, so it is B plus B bar. We will write first B, then B bar. Actually here B, but here B bar, but we will write in this way. Plus A bar C bar, we are also taking common from these two terms, then it is also B plus B bar. So A bar C bar as B plus B bar equals to 1, so this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So we are writing just only the common parts, that is A bar C bar plus A C bar. So here again we are taking common C bar, so it is A bar plus A, that is also 1. So this is the final result, C bar. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you noting this or taking photo? What are you doing? Or are you sleeping?
No, ma'am. Fortnite. Don't need screenshot.
Okay. So we are going to the next slide. Here, this is a big example. See, this is a big complement of these big terms. A b bar, and here a b c plus a into b plus a b bar. So here we see the complement is same. We are not using the complement yet now. So just writing this a, we are taking common this a, then b bar plus bc is remaining. Here also a, taking common a, so it is b bar plus a. And here a, so it is b bar plus c, and here ab plus aa. In this way, see here a bar plus b. Oh, this small complement part, we have used this complement symbol, and that's why you are getting this a b bar complement. There was plus symbol, but now here the multiplication symbol is there, and here a c bar plus a. In this way, this is a bar plus b. Actually here was multiplication symbol, now we are complementing this, so it is a bar plus b dot a bar plus c bar plus a. So here a plus b into a plus c equals to a plus bc. It was the rule. So this is a bar plus b c bar plus a. From these two terms, we are getting this a bar plus b c bar. Here was b, here was c. So this is bc, and but we get b c bar. Now a bar plus b c bar plus a. So if we take here a and a bar, that's why this is 1 plus b c bar, and this is whole complement, so 1 plus x equals to 1. So this is complement of 1, so the output is 0. Now
Hello, ma'am.
follow.
Hello. Actually, the previous formula a plus a bar b equals to a plus b. Ma'am, the right hand side should be 1 plus b, because a plus a bar b, that means a plus a bar plus b, and the a bar is 1 minus a. So a cancels and 1 plus b is the answer, I think. The
Where?
previous formula, ma'am.
Number 7.
No, ma'am, number 2. You
Number,
have written a plus a bar b equals to a plus b, the
yes.
formula, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, the right hand side should be 1 plus b.
In this example, number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The last one, a plus a bar b equals to a plus b, the formula, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, a plus a bar b equals to a plus a bar plus b, and a bar means a 1 minus a. That means a plus 1 minus a plus b, that is equals to 1 plus b.
here it should be 1 plus b.
ইয়েস ম্যাম, ওই পাশের লাইনটা, যেটা ফর্মুলাটা দিয়ে যেটা আপনি বললেন না, ওইটা বলছি। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এইটা ম্যাম। না না ম্যাম, আগেরটা যেটা ওই যে ফর্মুলাটা রয়েছে ব্র্যাকেটের ভিতর, যে ফর্মুলাটা রয়েছে, হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, ওইটা।
হ্যাঁ, it should be
1
plus
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, ওটাই বলছিলাম।
ঠিকই তো আছে ম্যাম।
ম্যাম ঠিকই আছে ম্যাম।
A plus B.
It's correct, ma'am.
A plus.
No, I am saying that like A plus A bar B equals to A plus A bar plus B, and A bar equals to 1 minus A. তাহলে A cancel হয়ে গেলে 1 plus B তো থাকে। বুঝতে পারছি না
No, it is
জায়গাটা।
A plus A plus B. A plus A bar equals to 1. So the
No,
thing
A
is
bar
that only.
into B না। Yes, A plus A bar equals to 1, then 1 plus B. Then right hand side তে A plus B
না
বদলে 1
প্লাস
plus B
কোথায়
হচ্ছে।
আসছে এখানে?
So 1
মানে A
into
bar
A
dot
plus
B
B. So
equals to
এটা ডিস্ট্রিবিউটিভ ল, এটা ডিস্ট্রিবিউটিভ ল।
ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
It's correct.
আচ্ছা আমরা পরেরটা দেখি। নাম্বার 8 দেখো, এখানে একটা দেখো, এখানে বলেছে A if A B bar plus A bar B equals to C, then show that A C bar plus A bar C equals to B. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এটাকে ইউজ করে এটাকে শো করতে হবে। সো আমরা এটা দিয়েই স্টার্ট করব, এটা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডটা দিয়ে স্টার্ট করব। সো লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড দিয়ে স্টার্ট করলে কি হচ্ছে, C, for C we will use this term, so we will use this term. So A C bar, that means this term, that is A B bar plus A bar B, this is C and this is A bar C. Oh, here one complement sign should be used. Yes, it should be used because A C bar and A bar C. Now A plus A bar plus B. Yes, from this A bar plus A B bar. If it is complemented, এখানে করি আরেকবার। A into, if we complement this, then it would be A plus B bar is whole complement and multiplied with A plus B A bar B complement, and this is also A bar dot A B bar. It's okay. Now in this part what we will get, this is A into A complement into B double complement, that means B, we can write also B into A double complement into B complement. So this is A into A bar dot B and it is A dot B bar. Yes, it is two steps are jumped. Now it is multiplied A dot A bar plus A B and A plus B bar plus A B bar, sorry, A bar B. Now it is A B plus A B into B bar and it is A bar B. Now this is A B plus A bar B, and if we take common B, then A plus A bar. So the answer is B. Now see the next example. Okay, this is obtain the canonical SOP form of expression y equals to y of ABC equals to a plus BC. So using the canonical form, we have to obtain the canonical form of the SOP expression. So a plus BC, this is our expression. Now, I told you yesterday also, so for solving the SOP terms, if some terms are missing, then we have to multiply with that part, that is b plus b bar. Here b is not present. So we have to multiply A with B plus B bar, and also C is absent here. So we have to multiply this also with C plus C bar. And here BC is present but A is absent. So we have to multiply this BC with A plus A bar. Okay. So now we will get AB plus AB bar. Here C plus C B bar, C bar plus ABC. So multiplying this ABC and here A bar BC. Now here ABC plus ABC bar, AB with this. So ABC and ABC bar, and here AB bar C and AB bar C bar, plus these two terms, that is ABC and plus A bar BC. Now ABC is twice we get ABC and ABC. So we will write this just only once. So ABC plus A B bar C bar, A B C bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A bar BC. So now this is the minimal min terms. These are the min terms, and this cannot be extended. So now we will write the min terms. So for A, B and C, we will get 1, 1, 1. Because this is SOP expression. This is not product of sum. If it would be for product of sum expression, then there will be plus sign between this A and B and C. And here we will not be present the plus sign. Here bracket will be present. So this is 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 for A, B and C bar. C bar is 0. Here A, B bar, C, so 1, 0, 1. And here A, B bar, C bar, 1, 0, 0. And A bar, B, C, that is 0, 1, 1. So it is, we know this is 7. So this is M7, M6, M5, M4, M3. So we have to show the canonical form using the summation expression. So summation symbol is there, min term. For min term it is small m. Now we have to write this from small to big order. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the answer in the canonical form. Okay. Now we have to solve this. এখন কে জয়েন করছে, ক্লাস না করলেই পারত। আবার এ মনে হয় কালকেও লেট করেছে। Now y equals to AB plus ACD. So we can see here A, B, C, D. 4 terms are there. So 4 variables are there. So now we can, here C and D are not present. So we have to multiply this in this way. AB into C plus C bar, as C is absent here, into D plus D bar plus ACD into B plus B bar. Okay. Now In the next step, we have to multiply this with C first. So this is A, B, C plus A, B, C bar, and this will be again multiplied with D plus D bar, and this is A, C, D, B plus A, C, D and B bar. So for now solving this, we will get A, we will multiply this with D plus D bar. So this is A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar plus A, B, C bar, D plus A, B, C bar and D bar plus, now we will write this A, B, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D. So this term comes twice. So we will consider only one. So we will write, this is for ones. So this is A, B, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D. No, it is not present. So A, B, C, D bar plus A, B, C bar, D plus A, B, C bar, D bar plus A, B bar, C and D. Now, who will answer? Sneha, are you there? Sneha, so tell me the SOP,
Some
canonical forms for the SOP.
summation of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yes, first one is?
First one is 15.
Yes.
And
Plus, this is
14.
14. So, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now, Shagor. Thank you, Sneha. Shagor, tell me
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
remaining parts.
1101.
Good. 1, 1, 0, 1 plus
1100.
yes plus this is
1011.
1, 0, 1. Good. So now the M terms. So this is M15. This is M14. This is M. What is the value?
M13.
13. M13.
Yes. And this is 12
M12 and M11.
and M11. Okay. So now in the summation form, small m 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is for, okay. These are the minimum simplification or using K-map. Okay, we will do it later. Now, I want to discuss one thing. This is, so we have to we will discuss this gray code. So gray code is a numerical code consecutive where consecutive integers are represented by binary numbers that differ in exactly one digit. So now see what we'll do. Here just XOR operation is done. See, this B3, this is the MSB, and this is B2, B1, B0. Suppose we have a value like 11101. This is the binary term, and here is, this is, sorry, this is actually B0, B1, B2, B3, and B4. So for converting this binary value into gray code, we have to use, suppose this is 11101. Okay. 11101. This is the binary value. So this is the MSB position, that is most significant bit position, and this is the least significant position, that is LSB. So now for converting these binary terms, that is B term, to gray code, we have to do the XOR operation, XOR. So what is the truth table of XOR? Truth table or XOR is very simple. If we get 1 1 or if we get 0 0, then it becomes 0. Or if the value of A or B is changed, that is, suppose it is 0 1 or either 0 1 or 1 0, then it is 1. It comes 1. Okay. So this is the truth table of XOR gate. If the inputs are changed, then the output is 1. Or if the inputs are same, then the output is 0. This is the XOR table. So we have to follow this table. Suppose for the first MSB position, we put it as it is. First MSB position, we put this value as it is. So if it is 1 or if it is 0, anything, so we will put same as it is. Next, we will do the XOR operation with the next binary value. What comes next? So this is the next value, that is 1. So 1 will be XORed with this one. Okay. So 1 1, it comes 0. 1 1, again XOR operation, it comes 0. See here, this is 0 for 1 1. Now 1 0, if the inputs are changed, that is 1 and 0, then it will give the result as 1. See here, 1 0, so it is 1. And now for 0 1, again it will give the result as 1. So this is our gray code for this corresponding binary value. Now, if it is right or wrong, we will prove this using the same XOR operation, but in another way. Suppose for converting this gray code into again a binary code, that whether our result is okay or not, we can see in this way, that is first MSB will be same as it is. Now we will do the XOR operation with this output. in this way. Again with this output. Sorry. So with this output, again so if 1 and 0 are the inputs, so it is 1, it is 0, 1 0, so 1 0 is 1, so it is 1, 1 0 is 1, so it is again 1, now it is 1 1, 1 1 comes 0 and it is 0 1, so again it gives 1, so our output is okay. The binaries are same, isn't it? So this is the conversion from binary to gray and gray to binary. Okay, understand? Again, we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
taking another example. Suppose 0 1 1 0. This is a 4-bit example. So first MSB, this is the binary term. We have to convert this into its equivalent gray code. So 0 will come first and then these XOR operations will be done with the beside value. So 0 XOR 1, it is 1. 1 XOR 1, it is 0. 1 XOR 0, 1. So this is our gray code. Okay. Again, we have to convert this again to its binary value. So it is 0. 0 will remain same. And next 0 will be XORed with this one. So 0 XORed with this one. So it gives 1. 1 and 0, it gives 1. And 1 and 1, it gives 0. So this is our result. It is very easy, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see here, this is the circuit. See here, B3, that is the MSB position, will be will not be XORed. It is same as it is. So it is direct line. See here, we get the G3 value. Okay. And this is B2 value. Now B2 will be XORed with B3. So these are the values beside. So this will be XORed and the output will generate the gray code, that is G2. And again B2 will be XORed with B1 and we will get G1. And in this way B1 will be XORed with B0 and we will get G0. So this is the XOR gate circuit. Actually it is not the complete circuit. I am showing you the complete circuit. So see, if it is binary, see any example, this one. So this is B0, B1, B2, and this is B3. So first B3 is same. Next B2 will be XORed. And we will get, this is G2, this is G3, that is gray code. Again we take B2 and B1. After doing the XOR operation, we will get G1. And now after doing the XOR operation of B1 and B0, we will get G0, this is B0. So now can anyone tell me, Mayur Ghosh, can you tell me then what will be the circuit for G2B? This is the circuit for B2G, that is binary to gray code conversion. This is called B2G. Okay, so what would be the circuit for gray to binary? Can you tell me? He is sleeping, I think. Shagor, are you present? Shagor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shagor, can you tell me what will be the circuit for G2B? Just opposite, G2B.
Yes.
How many XORs are required?
And 3 XORs.
Okay. Why 3? Because here 4 bits are present. Using
Yes,
this
ma'am.
example, we have 4 bits. So 1 XOR is not needed, is not required because it is
For
straight.
MSB.
Yes, for MSB. So if we convert G3, so G3 will go straight and we will get B3. But for converting that G2, see, this is the result. So result is same here, isn't it? So this is XOR, that is G3. G3, this one is G3. This one is G2. This one is G1 and this one is G0. So G2 is XORed with this result and this is same. So we are not taking any other XOR. So there's some simply G3 and G2 will be XORed and we will get B2. Now here is the change with this circuit because this is the result. This one is the result of G2. So G2, this result is XORed with this third output, third input. Okay. So if G1 is the third input, so this will be XORed with this output. This is the basic change. Number of gates are same, but designing is quite different. This is B1. Let's see from where we are taking this G2, that is B2. Actually, we are taking this B2. This is B3. This is B2. And we are XOR with this B2. B2 and G1 are XORed and we will get the next output B1. So B1 and G0 will be again XORed and we will get the final output B0. So now from here we are taking and this is G0 and this is B0. Now see, this is the G2B circuit. Okay, but it is this circuit is not completed yet because for in the lab we have to design this in this way. It would go straight, then there will be a resistance, then there will be a diode. And what type of diode we will use? We will use light emitting diode, that is LED. Then it would be grounded. And here one switch case will be there. If it is 0, now it is 0. But if it is connected with this, then it will pass 1. Okay. So then the light will emit. Here two arrow signs will be there because it is emitting light. This is LED, light emitting diode. And this is resistance. Generally we use R equals to 330 ohm. 330 ohm. Okay, so in this way every output should be designed using the LED, diode and ground. This is the ground. Okay, so this circuit will also be completed using this resistance and diode. Your lab has not started yet, but we will do this in the lab. So now tell me, who will tell? Mayuk is sleeping. So Priyanshu Singh, can you tell me? Are you there, Priyanshu?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Now tell me the IC number for XOR gate.
yes, ma'am.
IC number for XOR gate. So which IC is required to design or to develop this circuit? Only XOR is required, no OR, no AND, only XOR. So what is the IC number for XOR gate?
Ma'am, 7486.
7486. Is it okay, Rohit? Rohit?
Ma'am. हाँ मैम.
Yes. Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
okay?
हाँ मैम.
না আমি দেখলাম ঘুমাচ্ছ না জেগে আছো.
না না.
ঠিক আছে. So now we will solve this SOP expression. So now tell me, I told you yesterday how to solve this. Now tell me what will be the expression for this SOP. So for simplifying this 4 and 5, what we'll get? Who will tell? অভিক চন্দ্র,
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বলুন।
বলো
Yes, ma'am.
সিম্পলিফিকেশনের রেজাল্টটা বলো। এই 4 আর 5 সেলটাকে গ্রুপ করলে কি রেজাল্ট আসছে?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বলছি।
বলবো এখানটা 0 0টা লিখে দেই, তাহলে সুবিধা হবে।
ম্যাম
বলো, চেষ্টা করো।
ম্যাম এসি এসি
দিস ইজ এসি না, এ বার আছে। For these 4 and 5, M4 and M5, we can see that A and
Sorry, ma'am.
value of A and B are not changing. Actually,
Yes, ma'am.
this is column wise, row wise. So row wise, the
Row.
value is not changing. So A bar, B is there, and C is also same, but D is changing. So it would be A bar, B and C bar. Okay, now next, অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স এত কম কেন? 57 জন স্টুডেন্ট, তার মধ্যে 34 জন 33 জন ক্লাস করছে, বাকিরা কোথায় গেল? সো অর্ণব ঝা, can you hear me? Now tell me the second term for 3 and 7, M3 and N7, what will be the minimal expression? For 3 and 7. Arnab Jha is not present. Okay. Abhishek Sarkar. Are you there? Asif Mondol. Are you sleeping, Asif? Mehir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now tell me the term, minimal expression, SOP term, for 3 and 7. Grouping this 3 and 7 cell. You don't understand these SOP expressions? I discussed it yesterday.
ম্যাম ওটা এবার সিডি হবে?
কে বলছে? ও অরিত্র।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
হ্যাঁ দেখো এবার তো হবে কেন A is not changing, B is changing and C and D are same. So this is A bar, C and D.
D.
Okay, now grouping
ma'am.
this. Grouping this. Shubhayan Rao Chaudhary. Shubhayan Rao Chaudhary. Shubhayan, are you sleeping? Oritro, you can take the attendance within 5 minutes. So who are sleeping, they will not be given the attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubhayan Rao Chaudhary. Now tell me the simplified for expression for this grouping, that is 9 and 13. M9 and M13. What will be the minimum expression for this group? 9 and 13. If we make a group here, it is shown that we are making a group. So what will be the minimal expression?
A C bar.
A C bar.
Bar D. A C bar D.
Okay. A C bar D. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shoham Das. Shoham Das. Shoham Das for 15 and 14. Grouping 15 and 14. What will be the expression? He is sleeping, I think. Shushmita Mondal. Shushmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I know that you are not sleeping. Now tell me the expression.
ABC.
A,
BC.
B, C. Good. A, B, C. Good. Now we will minimize this. These terms. Shaurabh Shahuwala. What is your roll number now? See. Shaurabh. Roll number 75. 075. Shaurabh, can you hear me? Shoham Sarkar. Shaurabh. Shoham
Yes,
Das.
ma'am. Shoham Sarkar.
Okay, now tell me. You have answered, no?
Ma'am, yesterday, not today.
Yesterday, okay. Now tell me for simplification of this 4 and 5.
1 second, ma'am.
See carefully. Here AB is over and CD is here.
Yes. A B bar. No, ma'am. A bar B. A bar B and B bar.
A bar B and C is changing, not changing, D is changing. So
C
it
bar,
is
C bar. A bar B and C bar.
A bar B C bar. Good. Now for the next value. Oritro, you may answer for the next value.
Hello.
For 3 and 7.
And for 3 and 7, it will be A.
Not A. A bar.
Sorry. A bar. A bars. B.
Not B. B will be.
Ma'am.
B
Oh,
is
actually,
changing.
sorry.
Actually, this
A bar
is C. This is row wise. So
CD.
row wise
Yeah.
value.
Yes. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. So this is
A bar
C
CD.
and D.
A bar CD.
For next term, 13 and 9.
ম্যাম 0001 না লিখে উঠলো যদি সি সি বার এরকম ভাবে লেখা হয় তাহলে
যা
বেশি
ইচ্ছে
ইজি।
তোমার, যা ইচ্ছে তোমার, যেটা সুবিধে সেটাই লিখো, কিন্তু দেখো কোন দিকে এ লিখছো, কোন দিকে সি লিখছো, কোন দিকে এ বি লিখছো, সেটা খেয়াল রাখো।
ওকে।
সেটা খেয়াল রাখলেই হবে, তোমার যেটা সুবিধা। আমি এর জন্য দুটোই দেখিয়েছি, এদিকেও অনেকে এবি লেখে, অনেকে এদিকেও এবি লেখে, ঠিক
Yes.
আছে। Priyanshu Singh. Priyanshu Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
So for
Yes, ma'am.
minimizing this 13 and 9, M13 and M9. So what we will get? What expression we will get?
Ma'am, C bar D A.
Okay. A is not changing, and C bar
And
D. For 15 and 14. For 15 and 14. This is column wise, so value of A and B are not changing, so we can write it as AB.
ABC.
We have to write this AB. Then we see this value of C and D. Which one is changing and which one is not changing? So C is not changing, so we can write here C. But D is changing. So this is the. Do you want to simplify this now? Otherwise, you may take it as an homework. Take a photo of this and simplify, and then send me the photo in Google Classroom. Okay.
Ma'am, this one. This number 12.
Yes, this number 12.
Okay, ma'am.
গুগল ক্লাসরুমে দেবো কিভাবে?
Oh, okay. বুঝলাম। ঠিক আছে, আমি দেবো আরেকটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট, তার মধ্যে দিয়ে দেবো।
ওকে ম্যাম।
আর না হলে সবাই একসাথে করে মেল, সেটা তো সম্ভব না, আলাদা আলাদা মেল হয়ে যাবে। থাক, তার দরকার নেই, অনেক কমে যাবে। আচ্ছা, আমার আরেকটা জিনিস পড়ানোর ছিল, সেটা হচ্ছে don't care. Again we have to discuss once again the don't care. Okay, write one example. Don't care. So I know that you are very familiar with SOP expressions, so I am giving you the POS expression. So simplify the expression f equals to, sorry, f of w x y z equals to pi of 0 to 4 7, 10, 12 plus don't care 1, 3, 13 and 15. So now you have to solve this using this don't care. Yesterday one of the student called me, so I told you that Abhishek or anyone else. Okay, so I told you that when we will use don't care, it would be given in the question. If don't care is present with POS expression, then we have to make a combination of this POS expression with don't care positions. Or if it is don't care is present with SOP expression, then we have to make a group using this don't care with the summation or minimum, min terms, with the min terms. Now with the max term, we will use this. So for solving this, using K-map, this is WX and this is Y, Z. So C 0 to 4. So this is 0. So we have to put a 0 sign. 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the POS max terms. Okay. Now we have to put this don't care for 1, 3, 13, 15. So which one position is 1, 0, 1? This is a don't care position 3, 2, 3. Don't care position 13. Where is 13? 4, 8, 9. Sorry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is don't care and this is 15. So bad handwriting. Now we have to make a group. So how we will make a group? This here we can see this is row wise 4 values are there using this don't care to don't cares. So we can make a group for these 4 cells. Now we can make this and also for this, and the remaining ones I can put here. So here 1 0 is present, so we can make a group with this 0. Okay, so now what will be the expression for this POS minimization or simplification? So we can write it in this way that f equals to, we can write it f equals to, so for this 4 terms, what will be the expression? This is W bar plus X bar. Okay, so no, sorry, W plus X, not bar. Bar means 1 in this POS. So this is W plus X. Okay, now for these two terms we will get YZ here. YZ is not changing, and here W and X plus X, and here W bar X bar. W X bar, W X bar, W bar X bar. So X bar is not changing, so it is, we may write it, so that is X bar plus Y bar plus Z bar. And for these two terms,
Y plus Z.
huh? Y
Y
plus
and Z.
Y plus Z.
ও হ্যাঁ
Y
হ্যাঁ
plus
ঠিক, যাক কেউ তো দেখছে। এই সৌভিক স্যার তোমাদের ক্লাস নেন নাকি?
না তো ম্যাম।
ও আচ্ছা, তোমাদের আর কি কি ক্লাস আছে, কোন কোন সাবজেক্ট?
ম্যাম আর তো আছে কম্পিউটার অর্গানাইজেশন ওইটা, আর হচ্ছে ডেটা স্ট্রাকচার অ্যানালগ।
আচ্ছা,
ম্যাম কম্পিউটার ওই অর্গানাইজেশনটা নেয় অনির্বাণ স্যার, আর ওই সাবজেক্টটা নেয় ওই মাজারুল স্যার।
কোনটা?
ওই
Data
ডেটা স্ট্রাকচার
structure.
ডেটা
অ্যালগরিদম যেটা।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। অর্গানাইজেশন হচ্ছে ইয়ে নিচ্ছে তাই তো, অনির্বাণ?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এখানে এই দুটো থেকে কি আসছে? From these two positions, 15 and this is 4, 5, 6, 7. 15
ম্যাম
and
ম্যাম এক্স বার প্লাস ওয়াই বার প্লাস জেড বার।
X. হ্যাঁ, বার আসছে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বার আসছে, ওয়াই বার বার আসবে।
হুম, বার আসছে?
ম্যাম বার আসছে।
হ্যাঁ, X বার প্লাস এখানে চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে Y আর Z, তাই তো? প্লাস Y প্লাস Z তো?
না, ওয়াই বার প্লাস
Ma'am,
জেড বার, ওয়াই বার
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম ওয়াই বার প্লাস জেড বার।
হ্যাঁ, POS। আর কি আসছে?
আর ম্যাম কিছু, হ্যাঁ ওই কোনার ওটা।
আরেকটা আসবে এখান থেকে।
হ্যাঁ কোন
plus z plus x.
এটা আসছে x এর ভ্যালুটা হচ্ছে 0 আছে, দ্যাট ইজ x। আর এখানে w এর ভ্যালুটাও 0 আছে, দ্যাট ইজ w। এখানটায় হচ্ছে w এর ভ্যালুটা আছে,
ম্যাম ডাব্লুটা 1 আছে,
চেঞ্জ
আর
হচ্ছে,
জিরো আছে। হ্যাঁ
w চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, হবে না, তাহলে x এর ভ্যালুটা সেম থাকছে,
এক্স প্লাস জেড হবে।
x প্লাস এই yz এর ভ্যালুতে তো একটা কিছু চেঞ্জ, এখানে তো 1
এক্স প্লাস জেড, এক্স প্লাস জেড হবে কি না? ওয়াই, এক্স প্লাস ওয়াই,
bar plus
Y bar plus Z.
ম্যাম ওয়াই বার প্লাস জেড, এক্স প্লাস ওয়াই বার প্লাস জেড।
তিনটেই টার্ম আসবে। ঠিক আছে, হয়েছে। আচ্ছা, আর কি পড়াবো? তোমাদের কি অ্যাডারটা আজকে শুরু করব, হাফ অ্যাডার, নাকি নেক্সট দিন শুরু করব?
ম্যাম নেক্সট ডে করুন।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম নেক্সট উইক।
ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট ডে তাহলে স্টার্ট করব। আর কি থাকলো আমার? আচ্ছা, কতগুলো আমি তাহলে ইয়ে দিয়ে দেবো, অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিয়ে দেবো, তোমরা শুক্রবারে সাবমিট করো। ছোট ছোটই আছে, ইউজিং কেম্যাপ, জাস্ট বাড়িতে প্র্যাকটিস করার জন্য। ঠিক আছে, মার্কস যাই লেখা থাকুক মার্কস নিয়ে ভেবো না, তোমরা সাবমিট করো। ঠিক আছে,
ওকে ম্যাম।
ওকে ম্যাম।
ওকে।
ঠিক আছে। আর কি একটা ছিল, ডে টু রেকর্ড করিয়ে দিয়েছি। আচ্ছা, সার্কিট কিছু করা শেখাবো, সার্কিট কিছু সার্কিট করা শেখাই, হ্যাঁ, logic circuits. So if we have expression f equals to x plus x plus y bar z, so what will be the circuit for this simple expression? How many inputs are there? Three. 3. So we will put these inputs in this way, x, y, z. So we can see here that here is a OR gate is used. So x and this is y, but this is y bar. So we have to complement this y input
Not get.
using the NOT gate. So this is the y bar. We get y bar. Now we have to use the OR gate.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, just as because we are passing one input from the NOT gate, so I think there should be a small box type thing before the NOT gate. As because only one input is passing,
So
so we
I
can
can't
leave that
get you.
box. Ma'am, so through that NOT gate, we are passing only one input, that is Y.
Yes.
So that box thing is given now, that just before NOT gate, to show that we are passing only one input.
Oh, in NOT gate, for on it
Actually, ma'am,
one.
only one we can pass in NOT gate.
Yes. No, what is the problem?
Ma'am, that box thing, it is there now, that when we give only one input to a gate, we need to show it by a small box, I think.
ম্যাম আই থিঙ্ক হি ওয়ান্টস টু সে দ্যাট শর্ট থিং, একটা ইনপুট গেলে যেটা দুটো শর্ট করে দিতে হয় ওই ব্যাপারটা।
No, no, no. In IC of NOT gate, that is 7404, here শর্টের কিছু ব্যাপার নেই এখানে। ওগুলো থাকে যখন অন্য গেটগুলো ইউজ হয়, কিন্তু নট গেটে আমার ওয়ান ইনপুট, ওয়ানে যদি ইনপুট দেই টুতে আউটপুট, এবং সিঙ্গেল গেট ইজ required here, single for single input. Okay.
Yeah.
Again for 3 we are giving the output and we are getting from 4 the corresponding output from 4. So simple gates are there. That's why in NOT gate we get 6 number of, here it is 5 and output is 6. Okay. So in this way there are also 4 number of again 3 number of gates. So total we can get 6 number of gates in a single IC. So there is no problem. You told me if we take NAND gate, then we have to do this. Or if we take OR gate for a single, then we have to make this. Now here multiplication symbol is there. That is y bar into z. Yes.
ম্যাম প্রথমে তো y বার আর z এর মধ্যে এন্ড করতে হবে, তারপরে ওইটার সঙ্গে x কে অর করতে হবে।
সরি
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওইটা
ঠিক ঠিক। So now we get the output F. And here it is Y bar Z. Using this AND gate and NOT gate, and here OR gate is there. So this is final expression x plus y bar into z. Now we are taking another example. Suppose f equals to ab plus c bar d. So how many gates are required? How many gates are required? Basic
4
gates?
gates. 4
4
gates.
Okay. Because here is one AND operation, here is one AND operation, and here is one OR operation, and here is one complement. So for doing the complement, we need a NOT gate, and for this AND operation, 2 AND gates. That is, what is the IC number for AND? What is the IC number?
Seven four zero eight.
Ma'am, 7408.
7408.
First answer I get from Sneha. Okay. So first we add A and B. Now C and D. Now this is using the OR. This is F. You may write here the simple parts of the expression, that is here A into B we get, and here C bar D we get. Okay, so this is okay. Thank you for your patience hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now send me the attendance, please, or Ikram. So next class we will start the circuits,
Okay, ma'am.
different combinational circuits, that is starting with the adder. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.